We're making high-protein frozen cottage cheese banana bark. It's drizzled with your favorite chocolate chips and peanuts for a quick and healthier dessert. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla. If you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below. And that will take you to the full recipe with all the details, including ingredients and substitutions, nutrition facts, and frequently asked questions. Now to make this really easy bark, you're going to need a blender or food processor. I'm just going to use my smoothie cup that comes with my Ninja blender. I'll start by adding 2 cups or 16 ounces of cottage cheese. And you can use large curd, small curd, low fat, non-fat, whatever your preference. I like to use the full fat for the most creaminess. And for some natural sweetness, we're going to add 1/4 cup of maple syrup and a teaspoon of vanilla extract and about 2 pinches of salt. And then we simply screw on the lid, snap it into the base, and then blend it until smooth, which only took about 20 seconds. Now to assemble the bark, I've just taken my cookie sheet and then lined it with a sheet of parchment paper. And this makes it really easy for getting the bark off of the pan. Now we're just going to take our blended cottage cheese and dump it right in the middle. And then we're just going to spread it out on the sheet. And we want it to be about 1/2 inch thick, because that will help it hold our bananas and toppings together. Next, we're going to drizzle some peanut butter over the top. Now I really like to use all natural peanut butter, which tends to be a little bit on the runnier side, so that makes this really easy. So I'm just going to take a spoonful and make some really fun swirls over the top of the cottage cheese. Next, we can add our bananas. So I've just taken 3 very ripe bananas, and then I'm just going to go through and quickly slice them. And then we just simply start pressing these down into the cottage cheese. Now that we've pressed in all the bananas, we can drizzle the melted chocolate over the top. So I've just taken 1/4 cup of my favorite chocolate chips, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Then we're just going to melt this in 30-second intervals in the microwave. So after our first 30 seconds, we can tell that it's starting to melt, but it's not quite there yet. So we're going to give it a quick stir, and then put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. So after our second 30 seconds, it's nice and melted. So I'm just going to stir it together real quick to make it smooth. And it's also very pourable and drizzleable. Drizzleable, not sure if that's a word or not. So now I'm just going to take my spoon and I'm just going to drizzle this chocolate back and forth on top of the bananas. And you can do this however you like. And now that our chocolate is drizzled over the top, we can go ahead and just sprinkle on some peanuts. I'm just going to drop these kind of around the bananas so they can get down into the cottage cheese. Now, if you could use more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the video description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. So now I've added all the peanuts. I'll just go in and kind of push some of them down into the chocolate. Now that we've created a work of art, this is ready to go into the freezer, and it only needs about maybe 1 to 2 hours to firm up. Well, here's our bark after 2 hours in the freezer, and it looks amazing. So you can see how easy it is to lift it up with our parchment paper. We have this very giant and delicious piece of cottage cheese bark. And snap off a piece. Oh, that's so fun. And enjoy. That is delicious. And also very cold. As soon as you bite in, you get that banana and the peanut butter and the chocolate that are just a match made in heaven. And then you get that creamy and slightly sweet cottage cheese layer that I would have never guessed is cottage cheese. But it all comes together in a really fun and healthier dessert. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients. Well, thank you so much for joining me today in my kitchen. I have included a link to this full recipe, and it's in the video description below. And that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.